Hello, welcome to Nana's Journey. Today I'm just going to give you an update on the Palazzo quilt. I got the green. It is dolomite green, but because it's the same thing as the red and the yellow that we did, I'm going to put it together and then show you. It should look like this when it's done. So, but these are the colors. These are the fabrics that I'm going to use. So just batiks. That one's a grunge. And this one is Aurifil 2890 and 1147 and 2908. So those are the threads, the materials that I got to match the threads, and I will be back when it's finished. Okay, there it is. Block 5 is finished, and if you want to know how I did it, you can watch block 1 of the Palazzo quilt. I'll leave that link in the description below. Like I said, a couple of the blocks were done the same, so I didn't think you needed to watch the same thing over again. When all I'm doing is these pieces, I will do an update just like this one. If I'm doing something else, I will record it. But I just wanted to let you know that I've got block 5 done, and next month we will do block 6. And I want to thank you for watching, and thank you for joining me in Nana's Journey.